In the previous video, I have told you how to configure the static routing. Now, here we will see the configuration of RIP, this Routing Information Protocol. So, we will consider the same topology as that of the previous one. We have three routers here. Router 1, the first one, it is connected to 192.168.1.0. The second router, which is connected to 2.0 network, and the third router is connected to 3.0 network. The same topology as we discussed in the static routing. Okay, so you need to configure, you need to place the machines and connect this machine to corresponding routers. Always connect router to router using a serial cable, and you know how to install a serial port in the routers. So please do this configuration as in the previous video. Okay. Now to configure RIP, here we have different networks, like one network is 192.168.1.0 network. The network B, this blue color network, it is a 2.0 network and 3.0 network. And two more networks are this router is connected to the second router through 10.0.0.0 network, and the second router is connected to third one using 20.0.0.0. This is our topology. And now now to configure RIP, just click on this router, take the configuration. Last time we configured through static routing. Okay. Now you will configure the systems using RIP, that is Routing Information Protocol. So just click here, and what you have to do is you need to add all the network here. Okay, that is including the self network, the network that is directly connected to the router. So this is my first router. Here you need to specify the self network 192.168.1.0, that is the network connected to this router in this interface. Now it is directly connected to 10.0.0 network. So 10.0.0.0. Just click on this add button. Now here we have another network, that is 192.168.2.0. 192.168.2.0. You need to add that network also. And 192.168.3.0. And one more thing, this 20.0.0.0. Okay. Once you add all this network in this RIP table, now the router will be able to forward. It knows how to reach all this network. Okay, now you can close this. Similarly, you need to configure the second router also. Click here and give all these details: 192.168.1.0, then 10.0.0.0, sorry, 10.0.0.0. Now 192.168.2.0, then 20.0.0.0, and 192.168.3.0. All the networks are here. Now close that and take the third one. Add the same thing here also, 192.168.1.0 1.0. One more thing, 20.0.0.0. Okay, now all the network information is stored in the routers. Now our configuration is over. 1 minute. Okay, we can check our connection. First time it will not be working. Okay. Yeah, now it's showing successful. Okay, you can also view the simulation here. Just click on the simulation window and you just start the simulation. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, I will show you again. Wait. Yeah. Now the packet is going to the router. You can see it here. Switch 0 to router, then to another router, router 5. Then the ICMP packet comes to the switch. Then it is forwarded to the machine PC4. You can see the simulation here. How the packets are going, that is shown here. And the replay is going back. Okay, now you can see this is the communication is successful. Okay, one more time from here to here. This is our packet. Now the replay is going back. It is successful. Okay. Now using this RIP, using this RIP, once you configure all the networks, all the routers for RIP, then any changes after that, any change occur in the network, that will be automatically taken. Okay, suppose I am adding a new link between this router, first router to this last one. Usually RIP uses hop count as the metric. Okay, so suppose I am adding a new link between first router and this third router, and I am configuring that value also. serial, this one. Suppose I am giving 11.0.0 and 255.0.0.0 as the IP for that particular interface. And here also it is I am giving 11.0.0 and the default mask is 255.0.0.0 and bring up the interface. Okay. And once you add this link, you need to add that network in the routing information protocol. So you need to give that information here. That is 11.0.0.0. You need to add this network to the routing table. 11.0.0.0. Okay. And this router also 0.0.0. Okay, now you can see, suppose I am pinging from the first machine PC0 to PC6. You can see the packet going from the switch. It is going to the router, first router. You can see that it is taking the shortest path. Okay, once you configure RIP, the link, suppose you add a new link or a new router, then it will automatically take that route, take the shortest path. You can see the path of the packet returning from the PC6. Yeah, successful. Okay. Similarly, suppose if something happened to this link, suppose I am removing this particular link, that is the direct connection between the second router and third router is gone. It is there's some failure occur in that link. Suppose I remove that link. Now we can see how the packets are routing. Suppose I am pinging from PC4 to PC6. You can see the packets going. Oh, 1 minute. I will start a fresh one. Oh, okay, that is failed. Let me check once again. Because I think something happened there. Let me check. Okay. It will take some time, I think. Okay.